today is going to be filled with the maximum amount of fun. Because it's the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Get it? What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, BMac. And if this is your first time here to this channel, welcome. Thanks for stopping by. Make sure you smash that subscribe button with all notifications turned on so that you never miss another video on this channel. And if you've been here before, or if you're already subscribed, welcome back. So the day has finally come. The largest iPhone with square edges to date. The iPhone 12 Pro Max. Whew. All right. I gotta keep the excitement level to a reasonable amount. I am so excited to put this puppy to the test. Check it out. This thing is huge. Just picturing this thing in my hand, my. This is gonna be big. But per usual on this channel, anytime we get a new fancy product, we gotta unbox it. So that's what we're gonna do. Take a few deep breaths if you're as excited as I am. And let's begin. Quick look at the box. You can see the front of the iPhone 12 Pro Max, what it looks like there. iPhone logo on this side. iPhone logo on the other side. Apple logo on the bottom. Apple logo on top. Although I guess technically that's bottom, this is top. Whatever, same thing. But what we really care about, put up the sleeves, is this part. The uncellophaning. The unboxing of the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I'm actually handling myself, at least to an extent. All right, here we go. The iPhone 12 Pro Max. First thing you actually notice, box a lot skinnier. There's actually no wall adapter included in this thing, so no surprises there. We saw that on this channel with the other iPhone unboxings already. But with that having been said, it's time for the removal of the box. The unboxing. The box that we are going to unbox. And here we go. Whew. There it is! The iPhone 12 Pro Max. Oh my goodness. Oh! I don't know what to do with myself. I guess only one thing to do. We will take the iPhone 12 Pro Max out of the box. Okay, hold on. Nope, not ready yet. Still not ready. Okay, I think I'm ready. Feels so good in your hand. Oh my gosh. We will get back to the iPhone 12 Pro Max in just a second. We will well, it's not really cellophane. We will unpaper the front display in just a sec. Also in the box, designed by Apple in California, you will see this little packet of information, which if we open it up, SIM card ejection tool. Nice. You also have your safety and handling regulatory information in this little minimal packet right there. Nice. Your Apple sticker. It would not be an iPhone unboxing without one of these. So we will take those items. Take care of that later. Also in the box, the last thing in the box you'll see is the USB-C to Lightning cable. A 3-foot USB-C to Lightning cable. If we undo that and stretch it out. Whoa, almost took out an eye doing that, but 3 feet USB-C to Lightning. Nice. That USB-C connection going to allow you to rapidly charge, fast charge your iPhone 12 Pro Max. We will be using that later. But back to the main attraction, we will get rid of the box for now. I actually do like the box, so we're going to carefully drop that right there. The unpapering of the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Here we go. The moment I've literally been waiting for a year. The unpapering of the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Baby, you are one sexy piece of metal and glass, let me tell you. The iPhone 12 Pro Max unboxed, uncellophaned, ready to go. Tell me that does not look sexy. Oh my gosh. Even the camera bump looks sexy. For those of you who are subscribed to this channel, you know I'm not a huge fan of camera bumps, but if you're gonna have a bump, might as well make it sexy. And it is. That glistening back, that glistening Apple logo, the matte finish, oh my gosh, those shiny stainless steel edges, which already have a million fingerprints on them. On the right side, you'll see your power button, 2 antenna ticks, and what I'm assuming is something for the 5G antenna system right there. On the left side, you have your silence or vibration button, whatever you want to call it, your volume up, your volume down buttons, your SIM card tray, another 2 antenna ticks, that beautiful stainless steel rounded edge on the top with one more antenna tick, and then on the bottom, you just have your microphone, your speaker, your lightning port, and one more antenna tick right there. Besides that, you have your notch up there, which you're about to see in just a second, along with your earpiece. But that is the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I am very excited to try out this thing right here, the camera system. I'm very curious to see how all 3 of these lenses work together in addition to that LiDAR scanner. So a lot of cool stuff going on here. But without any further ado, let's turn it on. There she goes. She is turning on, loading up. Oh, look at her. So cute. Hello, and we are in. Cool thing is, I get to snap my fingers real quick and this whole thing's gonna be set up. Check this out, magic of editing. It's set up. And we are in the iPhone 12 Pro Max being turned on for the first time on this channel. Ooh, it looks good. That display is wildly big. They weren't kidding when they said Max, a Max-sized display. I shouldn't be surprised. Max display, that's what it is. But just for comparison purposes here, I'm gonna bring in my iPhone 11 Pro Max. You could see slightly bigger. Not a huge difference there, but overall, it definitely is a bigger phone. Seems to be about the same width, but you could definitely see a difference in terms of height, which I guess I'm a fan of. If you're gonna go big, might as well go big or go home, right? So I cannot wait to try out this iPhone 12 Pro Max on this channel, give you guys my review, subscribe to this channel so you don't miss the review of the iPhone 12 Pro Max once it drops. And of course, if you guys are interested in finding out more about this iPhone 12 Pro Max or just to snag one of these puppies for yourself, you guys could always head to my affiliate link, bmac.link/iPhone 12 Pro Max, bmac.link/iPhone 12 Pro Max, or as always, there will be a clickable link for that affiliate link in the video description box below, so check that out if you're interested. And with that having been said, woo, I'm pumped. The square edges. Thank you, Square Edge gods, for blessing me today. I will see you guys in my next video. Oh my gosh, I'm just gonna sit here for like the next 30 minutes and admire this. That's kind of weird. Oh well, still gonna do it anyway.